So let's see if they can all do the Filipino squat. Okay, down, farther. How's the balance?
I'm feeling the burn.
So, mamuntag sa nitanan, karon na ako diri sa Utah Valley University, kung nasa ko nag-graduate, hindi ko nag-eskwela sa una. O karong adlaw, mag-interview ko sa mga tao, sa mga estudyante, kung kabalo sila mag-Filipino squat. So, mutanaw ta kung kabalo sila, kung kaya nila. So, tara! Do you know where the Philippines is located?
No, I don't. I think so.
I have no idea. Asia, right?
Asia, yeah, buddy. Do you know where the Philippines is located?
Yes.
Where?
Asia.
Bingo, right on.
Isn't it like an island? But it's like next to Australia?
It's in Southeast Asia, right?
Have you ever heard of the Filipino squat or the Asian squat?
No, I haven't.
What do you think that is? Have you been to Asia?
I've been to Japan.
You've been to Japan. Okay, so you've seen them squat?
No.
Have you ever heard of the Filipino squat?
No.
Never?
Is that like when they're using the bathroom in the little holes?
Have you heard of it?
I've not heard of it.
She's heard of it.
I have heard of
All right, what is the Asian squat? That's where you squat with your heels flat on the ground and have your weight centered on your heels. Whereas the Western squat is where you sit down with your weight and balance on your toes. For Filipinos and Asians, if there's no chair, there's no problem. They sit like this if they're having food, drinking with friends, gambling, hanging out, etc. How's your balance?
It's harder. Is it hard? Yeah.
All right, let's see it. There you go. Now put flat-footed.
Flat-footed. I can't.
Yes, you can. Both feet like this, like this. You go down.
I can't.
Yeah, no.
Wait, I can't do it. I can't do it.
Okay, down, farther. Very good. Very nice. I like. Can you demonstrate how you squat? What the? You're Filipino.
Nuh-uh.
Is that flat foot? All right, do that again.
I didn't even realize.
That's a flat foot squat right there. We got a Filipino over here. Heck yeah, respect. So let's see if they can all do the Filipino squat. All you need to do is your feet have to be flat on the ground as you squat down. Flat. Oh, dang. Come on, flat. Okay. There you go. Hers is like super tight. That's real Filipino. How's the balance? She's good. All right, there you have it, folks.
Can you do that?
Yeah, she's freaking Filipino.
You're not American.
If I were like Filipino, that's what I'd do. That's
Okay, let's see what the Asian squat is. Okay.
what they do in Japan.
Okay.
And you just like that, and then it's generally like 10 to 12 minutes, and then they're done.
I've never seen that one before.
Yeah, it's weird. I know.
That's a thing in Japan?
Yeah, huge thing.
Okay, right on. Are you Asian?
No.
Boy, flat. What the heck?
I've seen people do like the yoga one where they like hold their ankles.
Yeah, you guys
and,
do
like,
yoga or something. It doesn't count. Oh.
Girls are better at it
Yeah,
because
you
they
guys
have
got,
like
like-
a lower
What?
point of gravity or something.
That's a solid Filipino squat. Hey, no cheating. How's the balance? Not too shabby, eh?
I'm feeling the burn.
Feel the burn?
Leg day yesterday.
Yeah, it's a leg day right there for sure, huh? But in Asia, you have to be flat-footed. Can you do that? All right, lower. Get low. There you go. It's hard to balance, right?
Yeah.
All right, so how's your balance there?
It's okay.
It's pretty good, yeah? How's it? Think you can do it flat-footed?
No.
Try it. Okay. Oh, wow. So that's Filipino style. That's called the Asian or Filipino squat.
Filipino squat.
So Filipino approved. Nice. All right, these homies lived in the Philippines, so let's see if they can do the Filipino squat. Hit it. Very nice.
Ayun, sige na po. Ano po? Sige.
There you go.
Ayun, ganun
There you
po,
go.
ayun.
All right, let's see. Let's scoot the legs a little closer.
Kaya kong ganito, pero
Oh, that's for American.
hindi ganito.
Ay, baka master yung pantalon niya eh. Sobrang sikip talaga.
Master ni siya, master.
Ako talaga yung master ha. Ganito na. Ayun no, pababa, pataas.
Kapag na mag-Tagalog na. Ang galing nila, ang galing.
Ano, ang gwapo talaga.
Oh, mas gwapo niya.
Ay naku, bolero talaga yung lalaking to ha.
Sige, ano?
Anong sabi mo sa kanila?
ingat kayo sa lahat ng mga ibang tao kasi may mga ibang tao na hindi sila mabait sa mga ibang tao at magagalit at honestly kung gusto ninyo ang isang masasayang buhay punta kayo sa Pinas.
Absolutely. You heard it here first. What about you, my man?
Ay kagaya ng sinabi ng kasama ko, gusto kong sabihin na more fun in the Philippines talaga. Na kung gusto mong talagang magsaya sa buhay mo, punta ka na lang doon sa Palawan, sa Boracay, sa Chocolate Hills o kaya sa Oslo. Basta kahit saan, masarap yung pagkain, masarap din yung mga babae. Ayun, joke lang. Pero masarap talaga. Maganda talaga yung mga Oy, sino yung nanalo sa Miss Universe?
Catriona Gray.
Catriona talaga.
Uy, uyab na ko.
At ay sa akin.
Bantay ka diya.
Akin ka na lang. Loko, laban na tayo.
Grabe naman. Nosebleed ko sa ilang Tagalog. Sige, bye. Salamat. Nice to meet you. My man. Amping sila sa inyo, ha? Oh. Ayos, so nakita na ninyo kung unsa kalisod ang Filipino Squat para sa mga Amerikano. Dili kami pre sa inyo, dili kami kaya. So kung ganan ka mo na video, pwede ko mo mag-subscribe. Daghang salamat sa pagtanaw o amping ko mo tanan.